Hello family, welcome back to NaturalLee. Today we are doing a hibiscus hair mask. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Now let's get into it. Our first ingredient is fenugreek seeds. We'll be using only 2 ingredients for this mask. If you are having excessive shedding, if you are having scalp issues, if you are having breakages and all that, these are the best masks for you. So our first ingredient is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds have high protein content and they help in preventing hair fall and dandruff. If you're having issues with dandruff, consistent use of fenugreek seeds is going to help treat the scalp issues like dryness and baldness. Our next ingredient is hibiscus leaves. Do you know that hibiscus leaves for hair are an old age remedy to control bald patches, since it is loaded with vitamin C and also helps with blood circulation? This leaf stimulates weak dormant follicles. You can use hibiscus seeds if you are experiencing excessive shedding as well. So I combine these two herbs and then soak them overnight. And then when they are a bit soft, I then blend them using my blender. You should use a very strong blender. Even though you'll be sieving it, you should use a strong blender. So I sieve it and make sure that I have fine mixture so that I don't have lumps in my hair when I apply this on my hair. So guys, this is what I have. This treatment is going to help you a lot. So then I also add some of my coconut conditioner just to stimulate the potency of this treatment. It is very, very optional. If you don't have a conditioner, you can just use those 2 herbs. Going in with herbal growth oil, you can add any oil of your choice, about 2 drops of oil, so it doesn't dry out your scalp. Right after the oil, you give it a good mix so that it is able to, go into every part of it. So this is the treatment. You can see how smooth it is. It was really, really a nice treatment. And here is my hair. Do this treatment on a freshly washed hair, because this is a deep conditioner. It's important to do it on a freshly washed hair so that it's able to penetrate into your scalp, and it's not going to penetrate into dirty scalp. It's going to penetrate into any scalp. This felt so good. I really like the consistency of this treatment. I begin to apply this in sections on my scalp. It's very important to do this in sections so that you'll be able to tackle every part of your hair. When you don't do it in section, you end up leaving some parts that need to be, tackled. And in doing such treatments, make sure you focus on the part of your hair that needs a lot, like the part of your hair that needs a lot of concentration. Let's say you have a bald patch on your scalp, on a part of your scalp. Please focus this treatment there so that it's going to go a long way in helping you curb that situation. So yes, you should always twist your hair after you apply the treatment. This also helps in not, becoming too clumsy on your hair when you are doing the treatment. And as I said, focus on your scalp as well. Deep conditioner is usually for the hair and scalp because it is able to penetrate and send the nutrients onto your follicles, and then hair because it's able to make your hair very soft so that it is easy to comb or easy to manage. This is me being done, and this is what I had left. I just used the rest to smear onto some part of my hair that I just didn't want to discard the rest or store because it wasn't enough, and if I decide to store it, I would have to do another batch when I want to use it. So it's best I try and use everything on my hair on this day. So guys, when you are done here, you wear your shower cap in order to trap the heat. You can stop here and then wait for a while, for about 30 minutes to an hour before you wash it off. Or if you have a steamer cap, you can wear a steamer cap and wait for about 15 minutes so that the heat is able to do its work by penetrating the nutrients of the treatment into your scalp or into your hair follicles. Give yourself a good massage when you're done and then hop into the shower. So I first of all rinse out the treatment from the hair before I go in with my shampoo and conditioner. Shampooing the hair is totally optional. From here, you can just go ahead and rinse it out and then you are done. You are good to go. But then I just wanted to, do too much. So I added a little shampoo and then a conditioner to it. This is a dandruff and anti-dandruff shampoo. so it's very drying. So it depends on the shampoo you use, you need to moisturize your hair afterwards. Fenugreek is loaded with protein, so you should know when and how to use it, else you have a protein overload in your hair. So know when and how to use it. If you use it once in a month, be consistent with the once in a month that you'll be using it, or maybe once in a week. Please be consistent with it and see how your hair reacts. My hair may be held by fenugreek, it will not help you. So you need to study your hair and find out what really helps it or what is able to grow it. At this moment, I just wanted to remove the smell from my hair and scrub some of the dandruff from my scalp. In my previous videos, I've been complaining or talking about the dandruff issues I've been having, and even though I've purchased some things and I'm using some herbal stuff, I also need to do well in scrubbing my scalp. So yeah, this felt really, really good, rinsing this from my hair. I haven't washed my hair in an entire week or two. So doing this really felt so good. When you haven't put water on your scalp for a while, you are doing this for the first time, it has a feeling that it comes with. You can incorporate this into your wash day routine by using it as a deep conditioner after you shampoo your hair. So when you shampoo your hair, let's say your first step could be pre-poo, and then you follow up with the shampoo. After you follow up with the shampoo, you go ahead and then use the deep conditioner and then just rinse it out. Sometimes you may be irritated by the smell. That's not a problem. You can just use a normal conditioner, to aid in removing the smell from your hair. So guys, this is where I ended my wash day, and then after this I did this off camera. I moisturized and stretched my hair for the week to take to the office for the week, and this is what you can do to your hair to strengthen it. I really appreciate how my hair has grown for the past years, 2 years, and it's still growing so well because of the consistency of my hair care routines. So some tips I'll be giving is, if you want to experience growth, you need to build a hair care routine that you'll be able to follow. Don't follow anything that's too serious for you that will end up giving you mental issues. Build a routine that you can follow consistently. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments. Have you tried this before? What was your response? Would you want to try it? Would you have any questions to ask me before you try it? My name is Lydia once again. Thank you so much for watching till this. Bye.